So across the nation is considered tomorrow the start of Fire Prevention Week. So fire departments across the country will in some way or another try to communicate to their communities about fire safety. So here in our area, today is our day that we're trying to celebrate with the people in our fire district, which is Mama Junction, and to go over fire safety, teach children the rights and wrongs of playing with matches, and then utility emergencies as far as like storing stuff around your hot water heater, your furnace, and also one of the biggest things that we've come across in recent years is dryer fires inside residential homes. So letting people know that they should clean their ductwork out once a year, just like when they get their furnace or AC unit serviced, they should have that cleaned. Talk about smoke detectors, as far as the necessity of them, having them in a house, changing the batteries twice a year when we change the clocks, CO detectors in a house because of all the CO incidents that have been happening throughout the world, making people aware of that and where they should go purchase them, along with if you do have a fire, what's the things that you would like to do. Get out of the house, get your family out, call 911, close doors, and the new thing now is that they've proven in burn tests throughout the nation, especially with New York City, to close the door. So when you go to sleep at night, close your bedroom door, close your children's bedroom door. The survivability inside that room is greater if the door is open, because you're giving the path to the fire and the smoke to get to you while you're sleeping. So that's all this is, and obviously meet the community, meet the people, you know, get to know them, they get to know us. We're a 100% volunteer fire company. We service this district, which is roughly about 32 square miles. Half of it's industry or warehouse, and the other half is obviously residential, and just to show off what we have and what we do.
So this one was an example of an overloaded extension cord. So this is meant for one appliance only. So in this case they were making coffee and using a coffee maker. So the problem is they put a multi-plug adapter in, they plugged in 3 coffee makers. The problem was it generates a lot more electricity. It started the extension cord on fire.